So this first attempt didn't go as planned, but like any other project that I do, it never really does. After a half dozen ties, unlacing and relacing, and spending over 35 minutes just trying to figure out what to do, I had to take a day's break and try this again the next day. When I returned, I tried using a smaller lace and skipping 2 holes and bunching it up. And that was the final result that you saw in the beginning. Unfortunately, I had no recording of the lacing. However, I did a few other things to make this bag a little bit better. First, I filled a coffee can full of water and grabbed a small stone large enough to fit in the bag, placed it in the bag, tied it up, placed the bag with the stone in the water for about 10 minutes, dumped all the water out after I took it out, and then just let it dry naturally in the house for 12 hours, and that was it.
And that's how I made a leather gold pouch without stitching. Catch you next time.